Allah wants you to turn to Him through the gifts that He gave you by recognizing them and making them into a charity, converting it into something charitable. You have expertise, use that to serve a few people for the sake of Allah. I know most of the doctors that I know, there are some patients whom they will just treat for free. Why? Because they know this person may be struggling, or this person is so and so, or whatever it is, or I have a policy, and so on. So they do good. Use your field, whatever it may be, not necessarily a doctor, whatever it is, to do good. But at the same time, try to have a finger in every pie in a positive way.